Hello everyone. Welcome to MiloX News. I'm Marcus, your host. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tesla, analyzing its recent market performance and predicting where it might go next. Are you curious about where Tesla's stock might be heading in the coming weeks? Do you want to understand the key pivot points and potential scenarios that could play out? Then this video is for you. Did you know that Tesla's stock recently had a big drop after closing above a long-term buy panel top of 287? This has led to a testing of significant support and could indicate important future movements. In this video, you'll gain insights into Tesla's current market position, understand the importance of key price points, and learn about potential future scenarios based on current trends. Whether you're a short-term options trader or interested in long-term movements, this analysis will provide valuable information to guide your decisions. Before we start, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments in the comment section. Let's dive into the Tesla analysis. After having closed above this long-term buy panel top of 287, we had a big drop. We are currently testing significant support. These kinds of events underline the importance of waiting and seeing how we settle on any given Friday above these long-term formations. Fridays have finality and closure. Right now, the chart is saying not so fast. Despite its violation, 287 remains an important price point to settle at the end of a week to indicate long-term bullish continuation up to the all-time high of 414. Until then, this market remains susceptible to falling back into the upper 180s to upper 190s area over the next few months. In terms of a downside pivot point, we have a range from 260 to 261. This range can contain selling through next week, and from here we can turn back up into the upper 280s again. With this kind of volatility, possibly within 3 to 5 days. For the more aggressive traders, if we manage to open above 265, it will indicate 277 intraday. This former channel bottom can contain session strength, and from there we could fall back into the low 260s again. Now, let's talk about the downside scenario. If we break 260, we are likely to reach 253 intraday. We can bottom out there perhaps for the day. The question is whether we bounce off 253 and then close the day above 260. That would maintain a likely target of upper 280s as we move into next week. But if we close below 260, I think it's likely that we reach 235 within the next 3 to 5 days. And if we close today below 260, I would expect a good high through August trade within the next 3 to 5 weeks or less at 197. So for those of you who may have been buying, say, 190 to 200 put options as we were testing this channel top, if we close today below 260, you might reach for those 200 out of the money puts that don't expire for at least a couple of months. That would be the downside play. That would be the expectation if we close below 260. If you're a short-term options trader, you might reach for out of the money calls from 288 to 290 that don't expire for at least a week, because that's the two-sided framework I see right now. And with that, I'll really finish with the idea that next week, maybe the week we'll see, we close the week above 287, rising next week by a 1% margin, then triggering a significant buy signal into later year. Until then, we may sell off into the 190s as shown earlier, and that actually becomes clearly indicated if we settle today below 260. And with that, we come to the end of today's Tesla analysis. I hope you found this information valuable and it helps guide your decisions. Remember, the world of stocks is always evolving, and staying informed is the key to success. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to MiloX News. By subscribing, you'll be notified every time we upload new content, keeping you up to date with the latest market trends. Thank you for spending your time with us today. I'm Marcus, your host at MiloX News, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care and have a great day.